Hey man, you gotta love the smoke machine. Set phasers to stun.
Look at.
Thank you, thank you.
That's our engine and we're sticking to it.
All right, that was a pretty decent sound check, don't you think? All right, we all got so excited we just kind of kept on going.
Yeah, give us a few minutes and we'll get the real show started.
About 5 minutes, thank you.